Alright, step one, we're going to build the rocket. You can kind of see about where you want to cut it from there. You want it snug. It needs to be able to slide. It needs to be tight enough that there's not too much wiggle room, but it also needs to be able to slide on and off. And that's kind of the tricky part. You got to play. So now we've got our three pieces that are kind of bent at an angle. That looks right to me. What we'll do is get a piece of tape. So, more or less 120 degrees apart, so, and it actually works pretty well. You can take and put this guy just a little bit down, and then just crumple it. Kind of twist. And that works surprisingly well. Paper rocket. And yeah, it looks pretty crude, but these will, if you can do it right, we can get these several hundred feet in the air. Let's go launch this thing.
Alright, now that we have our rocket, we're going to get ready and set up the launcher. So first we're going to take the short one, go around the back like this. It's going to keep it from going up. Then we'll take our long one. That's going to keep it pointed up. It's a rod that we use to make the rocket. Oh, this is the button here. It doesn't matter which one you go with, just now I always start off with like 40 pounds. You can play around with different ones, but whatever you do, don't go over 100 pounds. These pipes, if they burst, if they're filled with water, it just kind of cracks. If they're full of air, then they shoot shards everywhere. So whatever we do, we don't want to go too high where it's going to be dangerous. So 40 pounds, you can go up to 100 pounds, but no more.
Oh,